Hi, it's SA. Good morning. Today we'll start with doors in Revit. To make a door, I have to go to Reform Bar Architecture Door or press ER. Okay. But first I have to select the style of the door. I have one style in single flush and I have this dimension for it. If I want other dimension, I can select one and go to edit type from properties. Before I change anything for this, I have to duplicate it and make my new dimension. I will make 0.9 meter width and 2.2 meter height. Now I change duplicate the door with this name. Width I have to make it 0.9 and height 2.2. Now I can make new style. Now I can put it at any place, like this place. When I put it, I can select it, and by this indication I can flip it up and down and left and right. I can also put a new one door with same dimension. I can flip it by going down of the wall and up of the wall, and I can flip it left and right by pressing space on the keyboard. It will be like this. When I select it, I have temporary dimension to change it. I can make it as I want. All doors I can make other style for toilets door. I can select door and go to properties, edit type, duplicate to make other type. It will be 0.8 meter. Every time I duplicate and make new style, I have to make the dimension match its name. Like this. I can change this style to 0.9 meter. And this one to 0.9 meter. Okay. Now I want to make the double leaf doors. And I want to use other style, not this single flush door. I can make select other style by going to load family and going to my templates at Revit libraries on which download with Revit, and I will find now other styles of doors. First three, door curtain wall, for curtain wall, not for basic wall. Other style for basic wall, brick and so on. I have single flush for which I use on my file. I want M double flush or double leaf. I can select one of these. I have also double glass leaf and double sliding, and M drawing for make opening, and rolling door and sectional door. I will use double flash panel. It will be like this. I can select any other of it will be like this, and I can flip it by this arrows. Okay. Now I want to add one here, but I have first check its dimension. It's 1.2. This is 200 millimeter height. I can change it by duplicate it to 2.2 height. Now I want to make other one here. I can go to door and select this one, and I can make duplicate to make it so it's 1.2, and change this width to 1.2. Now I have this dimension here. I can add one single door here, but it's more. I can change its dimension, check for 1.1. I can duplicate it to make one match the new dimension. It will be like this, and I have to select 9 meter for this one. Now I have some wall opening, like here. I have to, if I hide this element, I will find here wall opening. I can reset by reset temporarily. I can by this element, by this tool, I can select the element and go to isolate, temporary isolate. I can hide category to temporary hide all walls, and this indication temporary hide isolate to show you that you hide something. If I want to go to undo this icon and press reset. Now I want to make wall opening. I can make it from here, or I can go to door and look family and go to M door opening like this. Now I can make it like this, but First I have to check to its dimension from here to here, 1.8, and I can select this wall opening and change its dimension to make duplicate, and change this width to, and this height to 2.2 meter. It will be like this. Okay, change it to this have to be 1.8, not 1800. Or I can use other way. Here we have to make opening. I have to go to architecture tab, opening, and I can select wall opening and select the wall and make the wall opening like this. And if I want to add hidden line, I can go to annotate detail line and select the line here and make new one here, and I can select the two lines and make it hidden lines from here. Okay, this is a way, and this another way. I can make all other wall opening. Okay, we forget this door, and we can check its width and make door and select the style. Okay, now I have this doors at ground floor. I can copy it to first floor because I have same at top, but I don't have this one at first floor and this one. So I can select all the elements and go to filter and check none and select doors only, and I can deselect this door by press shift and select this one and select this one. And select this one. Now I can copy all these doors to first floor by press at modify tab, copy, and then I have to select to go to first floor to check it. I don't have all this doors, so I can go to modify and go to this arrow below paste and select align to selected levels and select the level which I want to paste on it. Now I have all this doors at first floor and ground floor. I can also copy all wall opening by select all and go to filter here and check none and go to rectangular straight wall opening and make copy from modify here and go to first floor and go to modify this arrow below paste and select align to selected level and select first floor. It will now have all, but I want to have delete this one. Now I have it. Now if I select this door and going to properties for its properties, I have some data to change at properties. First I have the style of the door for this selected door only. Now I have the level of the door at which floor. Second, I have cell height. If I want to raise this door or make it lower from the floor level, I will do it from cell height. If I want to make this floor, I will show it. I will select the door and going to south elevation. It will now this door at level 0 from ground, cell height 0. If I want to raise this door, I will make it 0.3 from ground floor. It will be like this. Now I raised the floor from the floor level. If I want to do this, okay. If I want to undo it, I will make it 0. Then I have swing angle. It will be 90 degree. Then I have frame type and the materials, and I prefer to change it from type properties, not from properties. If I change it from properties, it will change it for selected door only from properties. But if I change it from type properties, it will change for all the doors with this type. Then I have mark for some identity data, mark and comment and image. If I change it, it will show it at schedules and data drawings, but I prefer to change it from type properties to do it for all doors with this type. Then we have phasing. If you have phasing, you have only existing and new construction. If you make another phase, it will be shown here, but all new element we make it at new construction. Head height for this door is 2.2 meter. If I want to change it, I can change it from here. Then we have type properties for all doors with this type. If I want to check how many doors with this type, I can select the door and select right click and select all instance at this view or entry project. It's one. But if I select this door, I have four doors with this type. Okay. If I go to type properties, I can go to it from properties edit type or type properties from here. Now I have family name is family single flush. type, I have more than one. I have to match this dimension with its properties from here. Height 2.2 meter and width 0.8 meter. Now we have some data to change. We have function. I can make this door interior or exterior. Wall closer by host. Construction type if you want to add. Then we have materials. Door material and frame material. I can change it by select this empty space. I will have this button. Then I can change it from here. If I don't found any material, I can add from here. I can select by name and add from here. I can change door material and frame material. Then we have dimension, thickness, height, width, trim projection at external and internal, trim width. Then we have analytical properties. Then we have identity data. I can add cost and fire rate for selected doors, assembly code, description if I want to add a description. If I want to add comment, I can add here. If I want to add a keynote or model of manufacturer, I can add here. I can add also type mark. Any data I will put here, it will show at doors schedule. Then we have IFC parameters if I want to add here. Okay, thank you. Bye.